Have you ever heard Japanese people say, "Ah, totono-u," after coming out of a sauna? If you translate it literally, it means to be arranged or to be organized. So why are people saying it when they're sweating? Today, let's explore the Japanese verb, totono, its original meaning, and its very trendy modern meaning.
リサと日本語を学ぶ。
First, the basic meaning of totono. It originally means to be put in order, to be prepared, and to be arranged properly. For example, the documents are organized.
書類が整っている。
The room is tidy.
部屋が整う。
Simple, right? But modern Japan gave this word a surprising twist. Saunas have become extremely popular in Japan in recent years. People go through a cycle of hot sauna, cold bath, and relaxation time, usually sitting outside. And after this cycle, people often feel a wave of deep relaxation. Almost like their mind and body rebooted. This moment is what Japanese people now call totono. So what does totono mean today? It describes a special state of mental clarity, physical relaxation, emotional reset, and feeling like your body and mind are perfectly balanced. Some people describe it as, "It feels like I'm floating. My brain feels clean. I feel reborn." In English, there's no perfect translation. But the closest might be to get into the zone or to reach a perfect relaxed state. So now I got totono-u basically means I reached sauna bliss. The word became so popular that you'll see it in magazines, YouTube titles, and even on signs inside saunas. Why? Because it's short, catchy, and uniquely describes a feeling many people experience, but can't explain. It's almost like a badge of honor among sauna fans. Did you totono today? Here are some common modern uses. I totally totono-u today. This sauna helps me totono quickly. I can't totono unless the water is really cold. And here's a more traditional meaning for comparison. My schedule is finally organized. Same verb, completely different world. So next time you visit Japan and try a sauna, remember this magic word. Totono, to reach the ultimate relaxation mode. And when it happens to you, don't forget to proudly say totono-u. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. If you enjoy learning real-life Japanese expressions, don't forget to like and subscribe.